Now, I've done this before for Machine, but I feel like it needs to be for music production as a whole because some of you guys out here getting got. And with UMG taking away all of their artist music off of TikTok, this is the perfect opportunity for you to blow up.
You know we gonna make it fresh.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy JFresh Beatz, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about music productions, tips and tricks, and how this can actually help you get further on in your music production situation. So if you like videos just like this, consider subscribing and let's get going. All right, the first tip is going to be storage. Hard drives are crucial in this kind of business. Like every day, I'm literally getting this message that's basically saying I'm out of storage or optimize your storage or something like that on either my computer, hard drive, or whatever it is, because not only do I do music, but I also do content as well. And these video files take up a whole lot of space. And it's not just about the video files. There's also like the sound packs. There's also my plugins, my content libraries, like my contact libraries are just 30 gigs by itself for one instance of a library. So let's talk about the different types of hard drives you can get. So there's HHDs, and HHDs were back in my era when I first started. HHDs were amazing. You could literally get like a whole bunch of storage for a cheap price. Nowadays, not back then. Back then it was like, bruh. But they were so fragile because they required a disk. So if you chunked it across the room or something like that, I'm not advising you ever to throw your hard drive across the room. But let's just say you chunked it across the room. All of your data is gone. Like it's gone because the disk is corrupted or it's scratched up. It's just gone. It's just gone. And then you can try to get it recovered, but it's going to cost more than the hard drive. And so that it's just a whole issue. Now you can actually get a 4 terabyte HHD for $100. That's amazing. But like I said, there are those issues that you have to talk about. So if you want to take that risk, go for it. And also don't expect to run like your libraries or anything like that sessions off of those hard drives, because let's say you're copying something over and you still want to work. It's going to stop the flow of you working because that it's working in the background. And then sometimes it's just not fast enough. All right, let's talk about these godsends of hard drives. SSDs. These are a godsend right here. This is the T7s shielded. They are actually cheaper than the T7s. I don't have to worry about me dropping. I don't have to worry about me doing anything like that because they have the reliability. But because they have that reliability and they're so freaking fast, it costs more. This is 1 terabyte and it cost me $100. 2 terabytes is, I think, 145, 150, and then 4 terabytes, you're looking at probably about $250 to $300. So if you got that kind of bread to spend on 4 terabytes of memory and storage and you don't want to think about it, go for it. It's all you. All right, next we need to talk about DAW organization. Now I'm going to talk about DAW organization for the DAWs that I work in. Hopefully you have the same in the other DAWs, but just for what I work in, this works better for me. So the 3 DAWs that I work in would be Logic, Pro Tools, and Machine. Machine and Logic is really where I get my ideas out, and then I further put it into Pro Tools to mix them all together, and then I master in Pro Tools. For Machine, my optimization would be taking the extra step to actually favorite the sounds, to actually get my presets the way I like it, and then save it inside so I don't have to go searching for it. Like sometimes templates are good for that. Music production templates that actually have the sounds in there. I do like to let my creativity work the way it needs to work. So favoriting the sounds so that way I can look for it and go from there always does work. Like if I have a specific kit, save the kit. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. Now let's hop into Logic and talk about the optimization for that. So in Logic, the best way to optimize is not only getting your colors and stuff like that together. That's just the pretty stuff on the outside. You got to take a deep dive. Saving some of those presets into your user channel preset folder is crucial. Saving some of those kits in the drum kit designer so that if you really like it and you want to sell it later, you have that opportunity to do that. Organizing your plugin in the plugin manager, just taking that extra step. I know it's time consuming, but taking that extra step to just optimize what you need for your go-tos or whatever you need in that case, you have it there and it's quicker for your workflow. Now, as far as Pro Tools go, there's not that much that I can do in there, but actually creating templates actually helps my workflow and optimizes it to where all I have to do is just pull up the template or open up a new file based off of the template. And now I can work and just drag the files in there and I don't have to worry about, creating from scratch or anything like that. Having a dedicated website. Some of you guys out here are creating music and just doing whatever you want to do without having the website. Like, come on, man. Your website is what's actually going to actually benefit you in the long run for like merch, beats, songs, whatever you want to do. They have a specific hub that they can go to. Stop giving the BeatStars situation, because people can get distracted by just going to that track. Like, if you have a pro page, that's even better because they can't get distracted by the marketplace. The marketplace is actually going to distract everybody from getting what you have and then go to another beat producer and now you lost the sale. Now, there are plenty of website creators out there. There's WordPress, which is free. Then there's also Shopify. There's also the pro pages from BeatStars and Airbit. And then there's Wix. There's some other, just look up website creator and it's all going to be listed there in the first part of Google. All right, this is how some of you music producers are getting got, and I need you guys to fix this. Registering your music. Now, registering your music is not just like copywriting it. No, this is how you actually get paid by your music. So if you're actually making songs and songwriting for other people and stuff like that, big kudos to you, but you need to get paid from that. And so what you do for that is PROs. Those are performance royalty organizations. So that's places like ASCAP, BMI. There's also CCAPs. The list goes on. But these PROs are actually the people that are actually going to get you paid for the performances. So that would be streaming and radio plays. So whenever I release a song, I have to register that song, how much my split is. If you're not doing split sheets, what's going on, bro? Split sheets, a whole bunch of stuff that'll actually get me paid and do the right way so I won't get got. Now, as far as you beat producers who are putting stuff on YouTube, I think there's a site called Song Trust or Sound Exchange that'll actually get you the money if somebody steals your beat off of YouTube and makes songs off of it and releases it later or whatever it is. You still can get paid from that, just from Song Trust or Sound Exchange. I'm going to do a little bit more in depth in that. If I'm wrong, please don't murder me in the comments. All right, before we get into the last and final tip, I need you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be a part of this JFresh family, man. I need you guys to be a part of it because there's a lot of you who's getting this free information and not doing your due diligence by hitting that subscribe button. It's completely free and I need you to do it. Go ahead. No, I'm really going to sit here and wait. All right, last tip. Having a plan for each song. Now, I talked about this in my I Quit Music video, and if you want to look at that, it's going to be right here. But I would always get into a dump or a feel like there's nothing going anywhere because I would not have a plan for each one of my songs. I would create a song, release it on DistroKid, and hope for the best. Or I would make a beat, release it on BeatStars, and hope for the best. Nobody knows who you are until you put it in their face. And the best way to do that would be to create promotional videos for each one. So if you're creating a song, make 4 videos for the song, either performance videos, how you created the song, whatever it is. put it either on your ads, your TikTok ads, whatever you want to do for it, and have that link down at the bottom. So now people know where to get your song. And don't go on to the next song until that one's finished. You want to get the return of investment on the song that you have created before you move on to the next one. So that way you are building a following and you're getting paid. Now for my beats, I'm going to be posting those every week, but I want to make a video for each beat I create. And that would be a performance video of each beat I create. And if it's a beat that I like more than the others, of course, I'm going to do something like I did with the alleyway video. So if you want to look at that one, it's going to be right up here. But 2 videos per week. So that way each beat gets its promotion. And then I'm going to go from there. Sometimes having a plan will get you the success you need in order to make the music you want to make and have the success you want to have in your business. All right, it's your boy JFresh Beatz. This has been an amazing video. Let me know what you think about all of these tips in the comment section below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the like button because it's completely free. All right, peace.